How to use Envato elements in Premiere Pro. First, find an asset on Envato elements. Go to the Envato elements and search for what you need, such as Premiere Pro templates, transitions, titles, lower thirds, sound effects, music. Now when looking at a template, check the software requirements before downloading. Some templates require After Effects in addition to Premiere Pro. Step 2. Download the template. Now once you download the file, open it. Now let's make a new folder right here on the desktop. Let's extract everything in here. And here we have Action Opener. Now go to Open Project, Premiere Pro, and Action Opener. Let's click OK. And here it is. Now, if instead of the Premiere Pro project, you download a MOGRT file, all you need to do is just add the template to your timeline. So just drag and drop. It behaves like a normal clip. And all you need to do now is locate the placeholders and then replace the placeholder media. So let's go to Edit, Media, and here we see Shot 1, Shot 2, we can see the logo here, yoursite.com, the music, the titles. You can edit the text here, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.